Hi everybody, Joe Stokley, broker owner of Stokley Properties with another video newsletter. I thought it was important to speak to you today because we're all dealing with something that I don't think anybody likes right now at this period of time in our country, and that is inflation. Everything is costing more money. And I just wanted to kind of get in front of it and make you aware of that in case you didn't notice that things are costing more money. The reason why I wanted to talk to you is because in the future, owning real estate investment properties, things break, things wear out, and it requires things to get fixed. And the prices are going up. I don't like it any more than anybody else. Today, in today's Wall Street Journal, for instance, talking about inflation reaches a 40-year high of 7.9%. And that's the government's number. We all know that's higher than that. You go to the grocery store, go to the gas pump, you see it all the time. But you also see it in maintenance items. Paint's costing more money, hot water heaters are costing more money, wood costs more money, everything costs more money. I had a client, just a few months ago, say, hey Joe, the hot water heater, the last time I replaced it was around $800, $900. Why is it close to $2,000 now? They've gone up. Hot water heaters, materials have gone up. Labor's gone up. Everything's gone up. It's no fun. But I thought it was important to make you aware that we're dealing with that. We have excellent vendors, the very best. I wouldn't work with them if I didn't trust them and didn't like them. They're all licensed and insured contractors, and we have great relationships with them. I trust them with my properties and with yours. And I believe they're doing everything they can to keep costs down and continue to do a good job and offer good service for us. I hope these times pass quickly, everybody, but right now we're going through a really tough time in our country and here in California, and I'm asking everybody to hang in there and trust us that we're doing the very best job for you that we can, and that we appreciate your business and trust, most importantly, with us. Like always, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My number is 925-878-1603. From all of us at Stokley Properties, thank you and have a good day.